Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to continue our chapter 3, factors and multiples. Today we are going to discuss about some story sums of factors and multiple, which is both the combination of HCF and LCM. So first we will consider an example, the example of your book, which is shown on page number 36. The first example: find the largest number that divides 12 and 20 without a remainder. A question is there, you have to find the largest number 12 and 20 without a remainder. So we have a number 12 and 20. So we have to find the largest number, means we have to find the HCF. So first we will do the factors. We will take out the factors of 12. 12 will be divided by 2, we got the answer 6. Again 6 will be divided by 2, we got the answer 3. 3 will divided by itself because 3 is the prime number. No other number will be divided by 3, so we got the answer 1. Now again we got another number 20. We will find out the factors. 20 divided by 2, we got the 10. 10 divided by 2, we got 5. We got answer 5. 5 is a prime number, though it is divisible by 5 itself. The answer is 1. So the factors of 12. The factors of 12 is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3, and the factors of 20, we have a factors 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. What is the common in that? This 2 and this 2. So the largest number we got 2 multiply by 2, we got 4. So the answer we got, answer is 4. In this way we will do the question. This is the example that we have discussed. Now the second example of your book of page number 36. Find the greatest number which divides 149 and 101, leaving a remainder of 5. It means, what does the question says? That you have to find the greatest number. First, it is clear that we have to find out the HCF. HCF of 149 and 101, leaving a remainder of 5. In this leaving a remainder 5, that means we have a number 149 and we have a number 101. Leaving a remainder means when it minus 5 both that, so it will divide a number without a leaving a remainder, means we are subtracting minus 5. It means it is the number we obtain is 144 and the number we obtain is 96. So both 144 and 95, 144 and 96, sorry, both these numbers are divisible without leaving a remainder. So we will find out the HCF of 144. We have to find out the factors of 144 and we have to find out the factor of 99, and then we have to find out the HCF of both the numbers. 144 divided by 2, you got 72. 72 is divided by 2, you got 36. 36 is divided by 2, you got 18. 18 is divided by 2, you got the answer 9. 9 is divided by 3, you got the answer 3, and 3 divided by itself, you got the answer 1. 96 divided by 2, you got the answer 48. 48 divided by 2, you got the answer 24. 24 divided by 2, you got the answer 12. 12 is divided by 2, you got the answer 6. 6 divided by 2, you got the answer 3, and it is this. So you will find out the factors of 144. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, and 96. 2 1 2 3 4 5 5 times 2, 3 4 5, and it is multiplied by 3. So what is common there? 1 2 3 4. These 4 are commons, and this is common. So HCF 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 multiply by 3, 2 multiply by 2 you got 4, 4 multiply by 2 you got 8, 8 multiply by 2 you got 16, 16 multiply by 3 you got 48. So the answer you got what? The 48. So in this way you can do the question. So now we will take another example of your book of page number 36. Find these all, if the question says the largest number, means you have to find out the HCF, and if the question says the smallest number, then you have to find out the LCM. So in this way you can do the questions of HCF and LCM. Now an example is in front of you. Find the smallest number which when divided by 10 and 15 leaves no remainder. It means the number is 10 and 15. So you have to find out what? The LCM. LCM will be taking like this, 10 and 15. 10 divided by 2 you got answer 5. 15 is not divided by 2, so 15 will remain as it is. 3, 5 will not divided by 3, so 5 will remain as it is. 15 is divided by 3, so the answer is 5. 5 is divided by both the numbers 1 and 1. You got the LCM. 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. 2 multiply by 3 you got 6. 6 multiply by 5 you got 30. So our answer is 30. Now the next question, the next example of your book of page number 36. So you have to find out the smallest number. Find the smallest number which when divided by 44 and 55. So in front of you the number is 44 and 55, but it leaves a remainder of 8. It leaves a remainder of 8. So what you have to do, first you have to find the LCM of 44 and 55. So now you have to find the remainder and you have to find the LCM, and after taking out the LCM you have to add the 8. Clear? In this way the answer which you get, the smallest number which is divided by 44 and 55 leaves no remainder. So 44 divided by 2 you got answer 22. 55 divided by 2 is not completely divided by 2, so 55 remain as it is. Again 22 is divided by 2, you got the answer 11, and this will remain as it is because it is not completely divisible by 2. 5, 11, here you got 11. 11 is divisible by both the number, so the LCM you got 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 11. So the number you got 2 multiply by 2 4, 4 multiply by 5 you got 20, and 20 multiply by 11 you got 220. What will happen after taking the LCM? The smallest number divisible by 44 and 55 leaving 8 as a remainder. What you have to do, you have to add the remainder at the last so that you will get the answer. This is your answer. This is the number by which both the number is completely divisible. So this is the number. So the smallest number which when divisible by 44 and 55 leaves no remainder. So this 228 is the answer. Now student, what these are the examples that we have discussed of your book on page number 36. Now I am going to discuss some questions of your exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4. Some examples I am discussing. Exercise 3.4 of your book of page number 36. Now the first example, the first question of your exercise is The HCF of two numbers are 48 and 288. This is the book. This is the exercise. First question, the HCF and the LCM of two numbers are 4, 48 and 288 respectively. One of the numbers is 44. Find the other. So you have to find the other number. What we are going to do, yesterday in our previous class, we have done a formula HCF multiply LCM equals to first number multiply second number. This is the relation we have discussed yesterday. The product of two numbers is the product of their HCF and LCM. For this, we will find out the three quantities are given to us. We will easily find out the fourth one. Here, the HCF is given to you 48. LCM is given to you 288. One number is given to you 144, and you have to find out the second number. Second number is there, so you have to find out the second number. See, 1, 2, 3. Three quantities are there, and you have to find out the fourth one. The formula of the second number, if you remember the formula we have discussed yesterday, and today I have written this formula over there. From this you can easily make other three formulas. HCF multiplied by LCM divided by first number. And what is the HCF? HCF is 48, LCM is 288 divided by 144. If you see, if you multiply 144 multiply by 2, 8 and 2. So 144 divided 280 divided by 144 two times. So 48 multiply by 2, you got the answer 96. In this way you can do this question. Clear? 48 multiply by 2, you got the answer 96. Now I am just discussing the second question of this exercise 3.4. Question 2. The product of two numbers is 600. Their LCM is 60. Find their HCF. So what we are given? Product of two number equals to 600. HCF we have to find it out, and the LCM is 60. Now student, what is the formula written is there? HCF multiplied by LCM equals to first number multiplied by second number. If we write this formula like this, product of two number means first number multiplied by second number equals to product of their HCF and their LCM. If you see first number multiplied by second number, it means it is the product of two number So the product of two number is given. What we have? 600. 600 equals to HCF. HCF we have to find it out, and LCM is 60. So HCF equals to 600 divided by 60. You got the answer 10. So here the answer is 10. In this way you can do the question. Now the third question. Find the largest number divides 280 and 490 leaving a remainder. This question we have discussed in the examples of this exercise. With just now we have discussed the example. Find the largest number divides 280 and 490 without leaving a remainder. Largest number means here you have to find out the what? SCF. SCF of 280 and 490. 280, 140, 70, 35. If you divide 35 with 5, you got 7. 7 divided by itself. 490, 245, divided by 5, you got 49. 7, 7, you got 1. When you find the HCF, 282 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. 490, 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. The HCF you find 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. So the answer is 70. So in this way you can do the third question. You have to find the HCF. Now the fourth question, the largest number that divides 232 and 157 leaving a remainder. Leaving a remainder 7, what you have to do? First you have to subtract 232, 7 from 232 and 7 from 157. So 232 minus 7 and 157 minus 7. 225 and 150. You have to find out the SCF of 225 and 150. And you have to do the question. In this way, this fourth question can be done. 5. The smallest number which when divided by 72 and 90 leaves no remainder. And smallest number means LCM. You have to find out the LCM of 72 and 90. You have to solve it. And you can easily find out the answer, because you know how to find out the LCM of 72, and you have to find out the factors of 72 and 90, and then you have to find out the LCM. Clear? Next question, find the smallest number which when divided by 32, 39, 52 and 65 leaves remainder a 5 in each case. So what you have to do, first you have to take out the LCM of 3 of these number, 39, 52, 65, and whatever the number will come, you have to add it 5, just like we have did in our what example. Is that clear to you? Now the seventh question comes to you. Question 7. 3 bells rings at interval of 7, 10 and 14 minutes respectively. They begin by ringing together. After how long will they ring together again? So in this question you have to find out the LCM. LCM of 7, 10 and 14. So 7, 10 and 14, we have to find out the LCM. 2, 7 will not divided by 2, completely not divided by 2. 10 divided by 2, we got 5. 14 divided by 2, we got 7. Again we use 5. 7 will not divided by 5 completely, so 7 will remain as it is. Here we got 1, here we got 7. 7, 1, 1 and 1. So the LCM we here 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. The answer we got 70. So here the minutes are there. The most important thing is minutes are there. So what you have to do, you have to convert this 70 into the minutes. Means 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So here 70 equals to 1 hour plus 10 minutes. So this is your answer. 1 hour equals to 10 minutes. Now student, what is your homework? your homework. Do question 1 to question 8 of exercise 3.4. You have to do question 1 to question 8 of exercise 3.4. That's all for today. Thank you, students.